Ito ang car ni Babe and iwan muna namin siya kasi I decided na ako muna today ang magda-drive. So, here's my car. So, dyan ka muna, Zita. Relax ka muna. And dala namin ang aming mga pang-camping. Camping!
Sugar be sweet, and the world doesn't sleep when you're falling apart. And once in a while, Prince Charming don't smile. In fact,
Hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And sobrang tagal nating muling nag-vlog. So, here we go again. So, dito lang kami sa gasolinahan. Kapagas lang namin. And, ayun nga, kung mapapansin nyo, ako muna ang lady driver for today. Kasi, wala lang. Nung nanonood kami ng family ko ng mga lumang vlogs, napansin ko na, ang huli ko na palang drive for Babe ha, is nung naoperahan siya. Nung, yun nga, yun, nagkaroon siya ng operation na hindi siya pwede mag-drive. So, parang, feeling ko matagal ko na siyang hindi nabe-baby. Parang wala lang, gusto ko lang mag-drive ngayon tapos nag-decide ako na maghanap ng medyo Batangas pa rin pero somewhere far. Nagbubugal lang kami kung saan muna kami kakain. Hindi ko alam kung mag-e-enjoy kayo sa vlog namin pero kami mag-e-enjoy kami. So sana kayo rin. So isasama lang namin kayo sa aming trip. Babe, how does it feel to be a passenger prince? Okay na, okay. Approve. Yun, no? Bye! So guys, tumabi muna kami kasi hinahanap namin yung nakita ni Babe sa Google Maps na kakainan namin.
Dance with me in my backyard.
Nakakain lang namin sa Travis Burger and sobrang sulit na masasabi natin. Approve! Next stop na kami, punta na kami sa Max Mango. Okay, babalik kami. Ay, babalik tayo! Okay, so dadiretso kami, magma-Max Mango lang kami, tapos saka na kami pupunta ng San Nicolas. Ayan guys, nandito na kami sa may Max Mango pero walang Max Mango, bigo. Pero babe, parang gusto ko mag-Google Maps. 13 kilometers drive lang naman. Ano ba yan? Akala ko naman sobrang layo ng pupuntahan natin. Lapit lang pala. Dito tayo, no?
U-turn pa tayo ah.
Ano ba? Dito nga!
U-turn doon sa pakabila. Hindi dyan! U-turn tayo pakabila, pabalik tayo. Kala ko naintindihan mo na. Hindi na dyan, palayo na yun, babe. Pabalik na tayo U-turn
I
eh.
can drive but I can't Google Maps.
Pero palayo na, babe. Bukat
Pwede
yung
na,
araw.
mag-ano na tayo dito. Ayun guys, nakapag-picture taking na kami dito sa may tapat ng Taal Volcano. Tapos pupunta na kami sa Cafe Lands. Kasi yun talaga naman yung aming main agenda dito. Main agenda! Okay, let's go, babe.
Let's go.
Taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down so dead and buried on the edge of your night, staying drunk on your vine. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something so ordinary. You got me kissing the ground, sanctuary. Shadow me when you touch. Oh Lord, return me to something so out of the ordinary. How are you laying me down to a dead?
Hello vlog! Good morning! It's June 15, Sunday, and we're here at Gian's Place. Malapit lang siya dito sa amin, sa San Pascual, Batangas lang din siya. San Mateo. So actually, kagabi pa kami nandito. Hindi na lang ako nakapag-vlog masyado kasi pagdating namin, sobrang natuwa kami dun sa place. Sobrang ganda ng area. It has a private pool and sobrang ganda niya. May 2 bedrooms. Sobrang ganda ng kitchen, ng rooms, ng sala, and ng CR. Actually, yung kabuuan ng bahay, sobrang pagdating namin na overwhelmed talaga kami. Since hindi namin kayo naisama sa vlog kahapon or kagabi, isasama na lang namin kayo for today's vlog. And before we continue the vlog, nanonood kami ulit ng vlog ko pa rin. Vlog lang tayo ng vlog.
Babe, gising na. Kakain na tayo. Habang tutog pa ang bata.
Tapos ginising ko siya. Pagkababa niya ng kama, tulog siya ulit. Say hi to the vlog! Here's our best mom! Hi to the vlog! Hug!
I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go. Ooh, it seemed like the way we connected. Girl, you're so familiar, I never expected. Say the report, how you talk in the dark. Oh God, the sound of you stuck in my head. I'm hopelessly romanticizing all that you said. Even though I see that I'm in too deep, I still gotta let you know that I never wanted anyone more. Falling forwards onto the floor. Feels like I felt this feeling before. I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go wrong.
I'm sick of daydreaming. I just want the feeling of you in my bed. I'm down to just waste time right below your waistline. Want you by my head. I'm done with all this FaceTime. It's been a long time, baby. You're always running.
Outfit check! Toots, are you ready for the school? Ready ka na mag-school? Yehey! Woo! Dala ko na ang bag ni Tutoy. Punta na ako sa car. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And say hi, Tutoy and Ate! And we're on our way to Tutoy's school. Namiss na natin mag-vlog. Kasi napansin ko masyado na akong natuon sa mga pagkakakitaan. Nandito na kami sa school ni Tutoy. Mag-aantay lang kami ng oras niya kasi 12 yung klase niya. So, mga 2 minutes prior to class, inihahatid na namin siya sa pinto. And wala lang, aalukin ko lang kayo ng kutsinta kasi this is my breakfast. Eh, hindi pa pala ako nagbe-breakfast. So, kain muna tayo dito habang nag-aantay ng klase ni Tutoy. Well guys, ang sarap nitong kutsinta na to. Ang daming cheese. Kasamang yema.